Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the ultimate solution for anyone looking for a portable, prefabricated tiny home. Introducing the Mobile Container House with modular design structure. This 40ft 20ft tiny home is not only perfect for personal use, but it's also an ideal choice for a hotel, office, or shop. The modular design structure allows for easy customization and expansion, making it perfect for a villa, warehouse, or workshop as well. The container house is built to the highest standards to ensure durability and safety, and it's designed to be easily transported and installed. With its innovative and practical design, this tiny home offers comfort and convenience in a compact package. So, whether you're looking for a stylish and functional home, a versatile office or shop space, or a flexible warehouse or workshop solution, this mobile container house has got you covered. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a versatile and practical tiny home solution. Click the link in the description to get your very own mobile container house with modular design structure today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.